Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ambersharniece. Today's video is all about the Keto Diet Challenge. So as you guys know, beginning on May 1st, we started a 31-day Keto Diet Challenge and we are nearing the end. I want to congratulate and thank all the participants so far for the challenge. I really and truly appreciate you guys for trusting me to lead you through the process of starting your keto diet journey to a better lifestyle for yourself. Although this is not the last video, I did want to go ahead and express how I felt and how appreciative I am for you guys who have joined this challenge. But anywho, let's get to today's topic. So of course today we're going to do our weigh-in, and I'll let you guys know who's in lead at this moment. But we also go through tips each week of things that you can do to improve your keto diet weight loss. And last week I provided you guys with, I believe, what's the last tip. So week 1, we learned how to meal prep. We should have a very, very high water intake, keto flu, and I gave you a tip to drinking keto coffee, which definitely helps with your fat intake. Week 2, we went over intermittent fasting. That's when we introduced the fasting lifestyle to you guys to help improve your weight loss journey. Week 3, which was last week, we learned how to sweat it out. So we learned that adding exercise actually benefits keto goers when you're doing the keto diet because you're able to simply sweat it out. So this last week, the 3rd week, which was the sweat it out week, actually helped a lot of people that I saw. The weight loss just, trickled on down from there, and I'm very, 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 very proud of you guys for sticking it out and doing that. So there is nothing new that I'm going to introduce to you guys for this week. This week, you just need to be sure to maintain your water intake, maintain your meals. I know that we're going towards the end of this challenge, and maybe a lot of you guys have gotten really laxed. Either you're used to eating the same things you've been eating, or you've been sneaking little things here and there. I understand, you're human, you're going to do it. It's most likely inevitable at this point. Try to reduce your snacking and cheating as much as you possibly can. I know that you're going to get them in at some point, but at this point, through these last 3 to 4 weeks, you have learned your body, you've learned what you can do, you learned what you can do to amplify your weight loss, and you also have learned what stalls your weight loss. So I want you to be very, very, very particular about the things that you're doing for the next week, because of course, next week is our last weigh-in. You're sending me, of course, your weight on the scale and your photo submissions on June the 1st, on that Saturday, and on June the 3rd, that Monday, I'll be announcing who the winner is for the cash grand prize. So throughout the course of this challenge, we've gained a good bit of people that have been able to stick to it. Unfortunately, we've had some people to drop out of the challenge, and I just want to encourage you guys to next time, if I do end up doing another keto diet challenge, to please join. At least you know what to expect at this point, and then you can be more prepared for the next challenge to come. I've even had a few of my friends to join this challenge. Some of them were for it, and some of them were just like, at this point, no sis. So I understand that this diet is not for everyone, and I also understand that it may not work the same for everyone. So by no means am I trying to force anyone to stay on the challenge and do everything, but I just want to keep you guys motivated enough just to not quit. We've ended up with a lot less people than what we started with, but it's perfectly fine. I completely understand the struggle, but next time, whatever diet that you choose to do, whether it's just eating healthy or whether it's exercise, whatever it is that you choose to do, please be sure that you stick with it, stay motivated, and you can lose the weight that you're looking to lose. By the end of next week, we'll be able to go in and calculate your total weight loss. So let's see who's in lead this week for the Keto Diet Challenge. So I did view the submissions, and I'm extremely proud of all of you. You guys have done an amazing job so far. Just looking at you from the starting of the competition to now, I'm very, very proud. So the leader for week 4 of the challenge is, drum roll please, Jenna. I hope I'm saying your name correctly. Congratulations, you guys. So I had to go back and I had to calculate this like 3 or 4 times just to make sure I wasn't tripping. And then I had to go back and look at her before weight, the initial weight, the pictures that you guys sent me, and I looked at her weight on the scale today, and I'm just like, hold on, let me make sure I'm looking at it right, because I don't want to be tripping at this point. Miss Jenna has lost a total of 19.6 pounds so far on this keto diet challenge. Girl, if I could come through this camera and hug you, I really would. I am so super duper proud of you. that is amazing. The whole thing when I initially started with the Keto Diet Challenge is how to lose 20 pounds in 31 days. And a lot of people didn't think it was possible. If Miss Jenna keeps doing what she's doing, she's 0.4 pounds away from proving that it's possible to lose 20 pounds in 31 days. And Miss Jenna, I am so proud of you, and I'm so happy that you stuck to your guns and you kept throughout the challenge. And in this week, when you guys did the sweat it out portion of the challenge, it seems like that's what helped boosted her weight loss. So again, I am so proud of you. I want you to keep going, and you guys are so much closer to the finish line. We have one more week left, you guys. One more week, and all you have to do is keep doing what you're doing. Just combine all the tools that you've learned for the week, and we'll see by June the 3rd who the winner is, who's going to win the cash and claim their bragging rights. So next week is the last week. Don't forget, next week you must submit your pictures, front, back, and side, as well as your weight on the scale. And we're gonna wrap it on up from here, you guys. If you are interested, if you are just another viewer that's interested in doing a keto diet challenge, please let me know. I may have a pre-sign up registration form or something next time. I'm gonna make it a little bit more professional next time. And we'll see how many people are interested in actually doing the challenge or want to join. And then we'll probably do another one. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at Ambersharniece. All right, y'all have a good one.